If your leaf blower is running rough, here are the top 5 most probable causes. The residue that results from old fuel being left in the tank can create a restriction in the carburetor. This is why you should always use fresh fuel when filling the tank, and a fuel stabilizer to help maintain the quality of the fuel. For better stability, you can use a pre-mixed fuel and oil product that is ethanol-free. You can try cleaning the carburetor with carburetor cleaner to eliminate the clog. If cleaning is not effective, you can often purchase a carburetor repair kit to replace some of the components, or install a new carburetor altogether. Old or bad fuel can also create a clog in the fuel filter, which can cause the leaf blower to run rough. We recommend replacing the filter with a new one. A dirty air filter can cause the blower to run rough as well by restricting the air coming into the carburetor. The air filter should be replaced annually or whenever it is visibly soiled. Due to carbon buildup and a weakened electrode, the spark plug will degrade over time, which could result in the blower running rough. You should inspect the spark plug for damage or wear. You can also use an ignition tester to help determine if the spark plug is defective. As a general guideline, we recommend replacing the spark plug once a year. The spark arrestor is a small screen that keeps sparks emitted by the engine from exiting the muffler. Over time, the arrestor can become clogged with soot, which may cause the engine to run rough. You can try cleaning the arrestor with a wire brush, but you may need to replace it with a new one. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product to find the specific replacement part that will fix your leaf blower.